So today Wednesday, the beginning of the month June, so the price has been expanding down and it took so many lows. In 30-minute chart you can see the price already took all these sell stop liquidities and touched this discount level. It's expanding up and I'm expecting the price to reach up to this 150% level of premium. So I have a bullish bias and I do expect the price to come and take these sell stop liquidities. I don't expect it to go lower than this or even this. Maybe it will just come down until here or around here, but not now. Right now I have a bullish bias and I think it will expand up. After the expansion up, it might have a retracement back here. So basically that's my drawn liquidity up there, but I also looking for this discount level to be taken at some point. So I will be in turn trade right here. So we are getting close to the opening bell, 9:30 New York time. So closing one partial here would be a good idea. I do like another entry here, but again I also have this place in my mind, this discount level, so I'm not going to risk it. I will just wait for the price to either expand up and take my take profit, or if it wants to expand down, and in that case I will enter trade long again here. At 9:35 or 36 o'clock I expect a retracement. I usually expect a retracement happen at that time. So the price expanded up and triggered my take profit, and the retracement that I mentioned actually happened at 9:35 o'clock. As you can see, there is this tail touching this and having a retracement back to this volume gap, getting closer to the discount level and the wick of this candle, and then it expanded up aggressively.